Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wells Fargo account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you update your address to your Wells Fargo account online? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to update your address in Wells Fargo anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that sometimes you want to put your office address as the address on file for your Wells Fargo account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wells Fargo online dash. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wells Fargo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and update your address, here on the top right, you're going to click on your name. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here, My Profile. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu, and you want to click here, Update Contact Information. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these three options, but you want to click on Addresses. Okay, here you can see the two different options. So this is the home address or physical address, and then this is the mailing address. So whichever one you want to update, over here on the right, you want to click on Edit. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and enter in your new address here, and you can also apply the new address to all of your accounts down here. Make sure these boxes are checked. So I'm going to do this off screen. Okay, so once you've updated the address here, go ahead and click on the red save button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes and you should see this right here. We've updated your addresses. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to update or change your address in your Wells Fargo account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.